guys, it's Outdoors Dan. Welcome to this week's edition of the Outdoors Traditions Kitchen. I'm up at Wall Lake, Iowa, Cookie Central. I got the Hall of Famer, Mr. Speed, right with me, and we're doing ribs. And you know, I know the guy loves me, but 5-6 slabs worth, you're just too kind.
Well, I thought this would be a way for you to get some more friends. I thought if you'd run up and down the road with the racks of ribs, why there'd be a lot of people following you.
You know, when I first met him, I've been cooking ribs for a long time now. He's got his Traeger pellet smoker going right now. But when I moved up here from St. Louis and I got to talking about Speed about how to fix ribs, and I started telling him how I did it, and he goes, no. You don't take the silver skin or the membrane off. Remember that?
That's right, yeah.
And ever since I've done that, our ribs have always been so moist. You were right on. That's why you're in the Hall of Fame.
I'm not as dumb as I look.
No, I would never say that. So, what do you tell everybody when you put them bone side down, right?
Yep, bone side down.
What's your cooking time?
Now these are St. Louis spares.
Right.
You got the back ribs. Back ribs will cook in about 3 hours. St. Louis spares takes about another hour. So about 4 hours and 15 minutes. I run them at 275 to 300, you know, and you can back it down to 250. And if you want to have a couple of social beverages, you can back it down to 225. But yeah. 250, 275 works good. And you want the internal temperature of your meat to be about 185, but you can see it when the meat starts shrinking in from the end of the bone.
Yeah, when you see that bone extruding like that, you can tell they're almost done now.
Yeah.
He's even got my favorite of the sauces. The sweet hickory is my all-time favorite cookie sauce. But is it your best seller?
The original is still our best seller, but sweet hickory's running right behind it.
What's your favorite?
I actually probably like the sweet and spicy.
Yeah.
Got a little more kick to it. It's got molasses and jalapeno pepper powder in it and gives a little bit of kick at the end.
No matter which way you go, it's always a good choice if you choose cookies, right?
Smart cookies, use cookies.
I'm getting to get that extra slab of ribs now, folks. Hey, that's going to wrap it up for this week's segment. If you want more information, just go to cookiesbbq.com, and you can always get a hold of Speed there. Thank you so much, my friend.
You betcha. Have a good one, Dan.
It's always good when we have ribs.